Manutec Bloom Booster is specifically formulated to feed your plants with extra potassium, which will increase flower and fruit quantity and size. When a plant is in growth and fruiting phase, if you feed it with a boost of potassium, it will put more energy into flower production rather than leaves or roots. And good, strong, healthy flowers will naturally produce better fruit and veggies. This fertilizer has been balanced with the other important nutrients like 12.5% nitrogen and 2.5% phosphorus, but the potassium is at 28% to ensure your blooms get the boost they need. It's an important ingredient all through the growth cycle, and potassium also helps reduce pest and disease infestation. It's supplied in a handy soluble form with measuring spoon provided. Just dissolve 5 grams in 5 litres of water and apply with a watering can over foliage and surrounding soil. Manutec Bloom Booster.